everybody for coming, and as we stand here as it's getting dark in front of Erik Paulsen's Minnesota office here in Eden Prairie.
But I had a kind of scary thing happen to me in 2006. I had some medical problems and I wound up incurring $24,000 out of pocket for health care.
I feel like we should be a country of compassion and take care of our brothers and sisters. So I'm very much for a health care for all option.
Because of actions like this around the country and around Minnesota, that we've got a public option in the Senate bill, which glad to see you guys out there. We'll be getting more people in as the night goes on, and as it gets darker, I'll bring around some candles and gather up it. Everybody that this is part of a month of actions that have been happening around Minnesota and around the country. There are 3 candlelight vigils like this tonight in front of Erik Paulsen, John Klein, and Michelle Bachmann's Minnesota congressional offices, letting them know that although they plan to vote no against healthcare reform and have been very vocal about their opposition, that many of you in their districts do indeed support it and that we need it now. Erik Paulsen has been fond of saying that we need to slow down healthcare reform. What do you all think of that?
No way!
We need to speed it up.
It's been slow enough. This has been coming for decades.
The scary part for me in that was that I had worked until I was almost 70 years old so that I would have enough money. I've always had this horrible feeling that I didn't want to become a bag lady. I didn't want to be dependent on my kids. And so I worked until I thought I had enough money, and I thought, oh my God, if this is going to happen to me every year, then, how long is my money going to last? This is not a Democratic issue. This is not a Republican issue. This is not a religious issue. It's just the right thing for us to do, that we stop playing with millions and millions of people's lives.
Country, when I was growing up, I don't feel the pride that I used to feel, and I feel like we should be a country of compassion and take care of our brothers.
Eden,